Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today it's about time I do another cleanup video. Well, this one is for parts and this one is the one that I want to, clean. So yeah, and this is the battery that I will use, my makeshift battery. Actually, let me check, make sure that this one works. Well, the phone, both of them are network locked, but yeah, this one works. Okay. If I'm keeping them in the showcase, they should at least be clean, you know. This one even has the bottom cover. Right, so let's begin with this one. Yeah. So, normal Torx screws. Oh, what's this thing? I'll disassemble this one as well and see you. Oh, this one even says Nokia here. I'm starting to have a favorite already. Wait a minute, here are two other hidden screws. Oh, big screen. These buttons are not in good shape. Okay. Oh, okay. I was gonna get to that, but let's start with this thing first, the LED screen basically. And nothing much in here, empty shell, just like myself. And here are the brains. Big brains. This is the microphone that's soldered. Interesting way to see how technology evolved. First thing, they're all soldered on the board, then they're modular, you can change parts. And now with today's phones, everything is again soldered like this one. Only that's smaller and much harder to repair, if not impossible. What's it holding in place here? Like a book. And here are all the other screws, and also this is a connector here. Like right here. This is a connector. Just pushing it out. And it came out. Nice. And the same door, it's just, glued here. And I'm gonna unstick it so I don't snap it. So here is the face basically. Any other hidden screw? No. Oh, that's a big capacitor. Boy! What's that? I don't know what this thing fell from, but I will find out. Oh, and this is where the antenna goes in this thing. Why not do a thorough cleanup since I'm disassembling this? So, aluminium plate. Yeah, I think it's aluminium, not anti-monium, or how do you call it in English? The chromed plastic cover. And this is literally the brain, the yeah, the main board. Let's look up close. Yeah. By the way, how do you like how my new camera is filming? Well, not camera, smartphone. Leave a comment. I hope I did the right thing buying it. Right, I didn't press record. Let's take a look at the bugs. Okay, so there's a whole city here. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, we've seen enough. This time I take apart this one as well, because like I said, I'm going to take well, looking at it, it doesn't look actually that great. This one is more scratched, the screen as well. Now let me look at the buttons. I don't know what to think. I'll try to clean this as it is. If it doesn't work, then I'll disassemble this one as well. But I'm not gonna I mean, this only says Nokia on it. I don't even know if I should take it. This one doesn't say Nokia on it. And this one, it's a bit more scratched than this one. So yeah, I won't take anything from it. This is gonna take a long time, so I'll be right back. Right, so I've washed this with detergent and now I'm basically scrubbing the skin off of it because it's annoying. Like, look at this. I scrubbed this one, now I have the rest of the buttons, like so. I don't know what this is, and apparently this other one has a similar problem. Like if you look closely, again, I think the first layer, it's coming off. Well, it's forcefully coming off since it didn't want to do it. I washed it with detergent, water, brush, and it barely came off. I'm bored. Well, this is the best I can do, and it's clean enough if I do say so myself. Yeah, now for this boy. Well, it has a huge scratch on it, but nothing I can do about that. Now, well, that's one of the scratches anyway. It has multiple scratches. Let's since I don't have any new body shell, I'll have to manage. Ooh, looking nice and shiny. Well, I'll go clean this, because that's what I have to do now, and be right back. Well, this is how it looks cleaned and dried. What do you think? It's the best I could do with this old part, unfortunately. But now it's time to assemble the rest of the phone. Here we have the little big brain with little memory. Anywho. Take this out of here. There we go. Right. Clicked in place now. All right. Put the cleaned buttons in their rightful place. How does it look now? Well, a lot better. Okay. Yep. You're not gonna guess what I forgot to put, but I'll tell you. I forgot to put in some screws. These screws, more. For me to use my battery pack for it. I say it's clean enough to put in my showcase. Too new. Yeah, the phone is too old to know these codes. Well, it's done, it's clean. Thumbnail. Right, so thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Bye.